Herbal clothing is believed to help restore the balance within the body system and strengthen the immune system. A thermoflask is a container that is used to keep hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold. Likewise, this herbal textile product do the same to our body. A thermoflask is a container that is used to keep hot liquids hot and cold liquid cold. Likewise, this herbal textile product do the same to our body. A lot of ancient philosophies around the globe classify the composition of the universe into five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These are also called the Panch Mahabhoot. Knowledge of these five elements helps us understand the law of nature. The elements in the human body are closely related to the five elements of nature. The elements in the human body are closely related to the five elements of nature. Everything in nature is made of five basic elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Knowledge of the five elements allows the yogi to understand the law of nature and to use yoga to attain greater health, power, knowledge, wisdom, and happiness. This arises out of deep intuition of how the universe operates. This is made of hemp, so this is called hemp product. Hemp produce variety of commercial and industrial products, including rope, textile, clothing, shoes, food, paper, bioplastic, insulation, and biofuel. This is yarn of hemp, by which hemp textile produce. This hemp product comprises natural leaf, bhangra, and cotton. This type of textile only found in Nepal. It is said that hemp textile is synonymous of lucky, that is, fortunate, happy, and providential, which means meeting with unforeseen success in life. It is said that hemp textile is synonyms of lucky, that is, fortunate, happy, and providential, which means meeting with unforeseen success in life.